Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Smartsheet to track tasks and automate updates. Full guide step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and log into your account. Select the option to create a new sheet. Choose a blank sheet or use a template that fits your task tracking needs. Name your sheet clearly to reflect its purpose, such as Task Tracker. In the first row, label your columns to organize your data effectively. Include columns for task name, owner, due date, status, and any other relevant information. Click on the cell under the task name column to begin adding tasks. Enter the task details, and then move to the next row for additional tasks. Use the owner column to assign tasks to specific team members. In the due date column, set deadlines for each task to keep your team accountable. For the status column, use drop-down options like Not Started, In Progress, and Complete. To automate updates, navigate to the Automation menu in the upper right corner. Select Create Workflow to start setting up your automation rules. Choose a trigger that will initiate the workflow, such as when a task's status changes. Add a condition if necessary, to refine when the automation will occur. In the Action section, select what you want to happen automatically, like sending notifications or updating another cell. Save your workflow by giving it a descriptive name. Test the workflow by changing the status of a task to ensure it operates correctly. If needed, revisit the Automation menu to create additional workflows for different scenarios. Use Smartsheet's dashboard feature to visualize your progress and track key metrics. Regularly update your sheet with new tasks and adjust due dates as needed. Encourage team members to check the sheet frequently for updates. Familiarize yourself with Smartsheet's reporting tools for a comprehensive overview of your project status. Consider integrating other tools you use with Smartsheet for a seamless workflow. Keep monitoring the effectiveness of your tracking system and modify as necessary to enhance productivity. With these steps, you'll effectively configure Smartsheet to track tasks and automate updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.